Hello, I'm so excited to come your way. Now, let me ask you, if I give you $1,000 now, will you collect it? Okay, with this thing I'm going to show you now, okay, this year, not talking about people from Africa, I'm talking about international client. This year I've been able to make deals with so many people, but this strategy, I was able with this strategy to close a deal with, four clients internationally, one from the UK, one from the United States, one from Germany, and one from Sweden. So this thing I'm going to show you is very, very important. That is why you must see this video to the end. And if you follow the instructions in this video, you are going to come back and thank me with an offering. Maybe, during Xmas, you might decide to send me a cow or something special, okay? So see this video to the end. Thank you so much. Okay, now if you want to start making money on Facebook, you have to listen to what I'm saying right away, okay? Now, Facebook pays even more than high profile companies are paying. You wonder why so many people are rushing into skit making out to creating content on Facebook. It's because, Facebook is paying. I know some people may have told you or may have told you to change your Facebook account to a professional mode. No, you cannot earn from your professional mode because number one, you cannot give out your Facebook account for somebody that is outside the country to manage. That is why you need to have a Facebook page. So with what I have for you, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook page, okay, that can be monetized, a Facebook page that can make money. And also I'm going to show you how to edit your videos, okay, using your smartphone. You may not have a content, you may not know how to create, interesting content, but that notwithstanding, I'm going to show you how you can use other people's content to make money on Facebook. Okay, there are people that use other people's content, but they don't know how to use it. They use it the wrong way. So that is why I am here to help you. For example, look at this page now. Okay, this page, is up to 1,000 people, okay, up to 1,000 people, and you can see what is written here. They are telling the person page is at risk, okay, page is at risk. Don't lose your page. Your page is at risk due to community standard violation. Any additional violation could get your page taken down permanently. And look at the second one here. The second one says unoriginal content, okay, blah blah blah. Okay, shared content. I didn't want to disclose the person's identity. Okay, look at it here. They say the person shared content that our technology detected was unoriginal and repurposed from other sources with limited added value. It means the person did not add any value to that, video. Okay, so when you take other people's video and reuse it, you need to add value, you need to edit it. Okay, sometimes I see people react to other people's video, they are just nodding their head, they are just smiling at the, picture. Brother, is going to earn you a strike very soon. So you have to know some of these things. Okay, and also this unoriginality of content will help limit your page. Facebook will not be suggesting your page to others, and you see you'll be complaining that your videos are not going viral, this and that. So that is why I want to teach you how you can edit, your videos properly. Look at the third page here. Okay, this page is monetized already. This page had been monetized, making money already, but look at, because of, unoriginality of content. Okay, unoriginalities of content. He said so and so there are other things here, but they from the place that is written example, they said limited editorialization. Content that the page did not film or produce, with minor but limited meaningful enhancements such as voiceover, commentary, graphics, or creative editing that don't add value. Okay, so when you don't know how to use other people's video, you are going to attract a penalty, you are going to attract a copyright, okay, on your page, and that is not good for your page. When your page has these strikes, there is no way such a page can be monetized, especially when it has a red strike. It means that page is near to dead. Okay, now look at here. I'm going to show you how you can edit videos properly. You can see some of the videos that are up here. These are videos that I took from other pages and I repurpose them, I reuse them. So I'm going to show you all of these things. And look at, what I'm going to show you in this course. Look at the course that is just displaying here. Okay, so look at here. Number one, I'm going to show you how to open a monetized Facebook page. For those of you that do not know that. Number two, I'm going to teach you how to edit videos that will not attract, copyright violations. And number three, I'm going to show you how you can check the health of your page, how you can check your page should in case there is any violation. So what do you need to do? But also, as a bonus tip, I'm going to show you how you can get 5 to 10,000 followers within a space of 2 weeks. Okay, I'm telling you, within a space of 2 months your page will be monetized with what I'm going to show you. So what do you need to do? Jump into it right away. Check the comment section, there will be a link there. Okay, click on the link, then chat me up, then I will put you through. Thank you.